What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with another video, and today we are going to be doing shocks on a 1991 Dodge Dakota. Dustin, you want to explain to these lovely people about your beautiful Chrysler shit product?
Oh, okay, Honda boy.
Uh-huh.
My name's Johnny Knoxville, and this is Jackass. Alright, so we're going to be doing both front and rear shocks. We're going with KYBs, and hopefully we don't fuck up.
And if we do, I mean, it's not my car. My car will get me home fine.
Fuck you.
What are you doing?
Just spraying everything down so it comes out easy. The bottom bolts look like they should be fine, but it doesn't hurt to give them a helping hand.
Yeah.
The top ones I think we're gonna have trouble with. They kind of look a little bad.
Now, do we have to take out the wheel well liner?
I'm gonna try and get away from that because I know these clips suck because they're Christmas trees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Great.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna try to avoid that.
All right. Now remember, this is just one side. We're doing all four.
Well, the rears are gonna be simple as heck.
Rears are going to be really, really easy. Do you want me to go show them the rears a while?
Yeah, you can.
All right. Get out of your way. And as far as... Uh-oh. Here comes Tina. Hi, Tina. What? Am I in trouble? Am I in trouble?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hang on a sec. Okay, so back here we have the rear shocks. Alright, so we got, I'm not sure what size that is. I think that might be like a 17 or an 18. But so it's just that, and then those two bolts up there, or nuts actually. Those two nuts up there, this nut here, this bolt here. Same thing on the other side. So this is going to be super easy. Yeah, same, just those two. So this, super simple. And actually, you know what? This really isn't that bad.
No, and that's basically an all truck bar.
All right, so these rears, these the bottom nut and the bottom bolt, these are 19s. So actually here, we're gonna wanna do this. Okay, that. The other side here, and we'll do that one. I'm gonna have to get a hammer and just tap that out. Same thing with the other side. Okay, so now at the bottom is loose. Move to the top. Now tops, 13 millimeters does work just fine. Let me see if maybe I can do it this way. right up here. Get this adjusted for you. You know what's awesome?
What?
So there's a bolt up top that, right up here, that I believe, yep, you gotta hold it. All right, well, let me go get my 1/4 inch set, because I think that's all about what's gonna fit in there. So you gotta hold, there's a 13mm bolt up top above these that you gotta hold. I thought they were just studs, but no. So they're 13mm bolts that come straight down, and you gotta hold them while you undo these nuts. That's on. Let's try this again. I might just go get the micro set for the other side just to make it go a lot smoother. All right, there we go. There's one. Now, if I can get it on the second one, I'll be amazed. Buy a Chrysler, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Hey, Dustin. Dustin. You do realize there's a reason why I'm trying to get rid of my fucking Dart, right?
What's that?
You do realize there's a reason why I'm trying to get rid of my Dart, right? I hate Chrysler.
Well, yours don't run, that's why.
Well, it doesn't run because it's a piece of crap. All right, there we go. Maybe that'll work. All right. Oh, the wrench fell off. Technical difficulties. All right. Let's see if that does the trick. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, well, that just came with it. Okay, there's shock number one. Wow. Okay, and the new shock is in. Look at that. Beautiful. One more side to go in the rear. Dustin, how's the front going again? Doesn't want to move? Alright. Well, your passenger rear is done.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Same thing on this side. Oh, that's gonna suck. Always wear protective eyewear when you're working underneath a vehicle, especially a Chrysler, because they rust.
Everything rusts.
No, not as much as Chryslers, man.
Have you ever seen a Chevy?
Yes, I've seen Chevys. Chryslers have them outdone when it comes to rust. There's one. There's two. Now, let's see something. Okay. That's a little funky. Hey Dustin, you know, because these are aftermarket shocks, they're gonna fit a little differently.
Yeah.
Just a smidge. Okay. So there's that one.
Sweet.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know about that, but that shouldn't really be that bad of an issue.
I think maybe if you loosen it up, it might have kind of evened the space a little bit, maybe?
I tried. I mean, I can do it again. I'll get there.
What is that?
Well,
is that piece just shorter?
Here on the stock ones, yeah. So I guess the like the seat right there comes out a little bit more because those have deeper, like.
Oh, they have deeper hole notches.
Yeah, deeper notches.
Probably to fit more stuff.
Yeah, for more applications and everything. All right, so there's that. We can get this out.
Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to spin that on you.
No, you're good. Look at that. Chrysler. Rust. Oh, this sucks. We're gonna put it in here first. No, I'm pretty sure. No, what else is not right? Gotta hold on to that and not let go, otherwise it's gonna clock me in the head. I don't want to completely tighten this just yet. Get it tight enough to where it'll hold the spot. Good enough. That's just good enough. Oh, crap. There we go. Now the unfortunate part is that these top parts of the shocks in the rear,
Yeah.
they don't exactly spin very easily. Like to turn so you can get the nuts onto the bolts on top.
What's that?
When you're putting the nuts on the bolts up top, these little like spots with the notches.
Ears.
Yeah, little ears. Yeah, they don't spin very well right away until you tighten them down, which I guess, I mean, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
But like when you're putting it in, it's just, it makes it that much harder.
Yeah.
What, did you move over to the other side?
Yeah, see if maybe this part nicer than me. Probably not though. Did the front one come with you nuts?
Not that I know of.
I think it did.
I don't remember seeing any new parts in there, or new hardware. All right, and there's number 2.
Yes, it has 2 nuts in it.
Oh, 2 brand new nuts for the top.
Yes.
Okay.
But I just watched the video, and the guy said he held the shaft with the pipe wrench and just snapped the nuts off. That was the only way they would come off.
All right.
So that is what I'm going to do.
Interesting. Well, I'm going to make sure everything's nice and snug over here. Now, why does this side look so much better? Here, I'll show you guys. This side looks so much better up under here. Okay, this one's all done and installed. And then on this side, you know, that's good. And then up there, I have a little like space. I don't know if you can see it. There's a space right there. And it doesn't sit well with me. So I think I'm gonna loosen those and maybe tap it with a hammer and just kind of move it this way a little bit. But other than that, that's how you do the rear. So like I said before, these are 13s, the bolts are 13s, and these 2 are 18s. It's a bolt and a nut on both sides. So the rear is very straightforward. Kinda sucks. In order to get the old shock out, you know, I recommend, you know, prying up on here with a screwdriver or a pry bar. Pops right out. And then as far as getting the shocks in there, I kind of tap this one in with a hammer because this is bent a little bit. It's bent inward, so I had to just tap it with a hammer to get it in. And then the top there, I mean, I just kind of lined everything up. But there you go. There's the rear. And we'll move to the front here in just a sec. Okay, so that's nice and tight. I did fix that. There's no, I can't really get up there. Yeah, I did fix both of those. I moved this over. I was able to just tap it with the hammer lightly on this side, moved it over. So now I feel a little bit more comfortable. There's some more surface area there. So it's not gonna, I don't know, fall out. But there you have it. There's the rear. Unfortunately, we weren't able to remove the shocks in the front due to the shaft continuously just spinning, and we didn't we ended up running out of time. But at least the rears are done, and I'm gonna make this actually a two-part video, and we're gonna get the fronts done at some other point in the future when we have more time. But like I said, we just ended up running out of time. So as far as the rears go, you don't need to remove the rear wheels, obviously, and they are an 18 millimeter bolt and nut on the bottom, and 13 millimeter nuts and bolts on the top. And you have to hold the head of the nut on the top, or the bolt on the top, in order to get the top part of that shock out. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm going to make this a two-part video, and I'll catch you guys next time.